Welcome to Notary Public Underwriter's All Things Notary channel. On this episode, we'll teach you how to make a professional first impression as a notary. Punctuality shows that you meet professional standards. It highlights your respect for your client's time as well as your trustworthiness and reliability. Always make sure you have everything you need to efficiently and correctly do your job. You should have your notary stamp, journal, pens, and any other items you deem necessary to do the best job you can. It's also a great idea to find out ahead of time what type of documents you will be notarizing. Make sure to ask your client to bring proper identification and any other supplementary documents they might need to complete the transaction. Standing to greet your clients is a courteous gesture that conveys respect. While it may seem a bit old school, it follows traditional etiquette and is impressive to others. Doing so will quite literally help you stand out. State your full name confidently. When you introduce yourself to someone, always say your full name. It holds more authority and makes it easier to identify you. For instance, just stating my name is Jessica is problematic. Why? Because there are many other notaries by that first name. Using your full name the first time you meet a client allows positive name recognition and will help your clients remember you. It's a good idea to invest in wearing a custom photo name badge. It will elevate your professionalism, and some venues may even require you to do so. Most people tend to trust individuals who make more frequent eye contact. When you're notarizing sensitive, life-changing documents, it's important for your clients to feel that they can trust you. Eye contact should not be forced or awkward. It can be more casual, such as intermittent glancing. A genuine smile sets the tone, conveying sincerity and authenticity, thus making others feel more at ease. Smiling demonstrates a professional, kind demeanor. It builds trust in our intentions, allowing for more open and honest communication with clients. A firm handshake radiates authority and confidence, two things that are never harmful in a business environment. Always have your business contact information ready. Giving your client a business card, paper or digital, makes it more likely they will refer you to others. If you do not have a business card, ask your client to follow you on social media or give them your website information. You should also have a Google business page set up as well. Sometimes the exit is the hardest part. The client is extremely nice and chatty, but you have another signing you need to leave for. How do you politely extract yourself from the situation? Do so kindly, but not abruptly. Have a farewell line, such as, "It was great meeting you today, and I hope you'll keep me in mind for your future signings." In our age of technology, handwritten anything has become an anomaly. Be the person that stands out by writing personalized thank you notes to clients or business associates. You can include your business card or other essential referral information, including social media accounts, especially if you did not do so at the initial meeting. This is a good time to request a Google review on your business page. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more notary content, and visit our website for online notary education courses, bonds, insurance, and supplies.